Is your Mini Cooper losing its cool? Summers are too short to spend them driving in a sauna. Today, we're taking the guesswork out of your car maintenance. I'm going to show you exactly how to recharge your AC in your Mini Cooper. It's a simple DIY fix that's going to save you time, save you money, and most importantly, keep you comfortable on the road. And I'll show you how right after this. All right, so today we're going to recharge the AC on the Mini Cooper. This one happens to be a 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman all-wheel drive S. I ran to AutoZone. Actually, this is Advanced. No, this is actually AutoZone. But you can go to any shop, Walmart, wherever, and get your joint. The Mini Cooper requires the R-134a Refrigerant. All right, and it takes 17 ounces. So basically, the taller cans cost about $60-something, and it had a nozzle on it. All this newfangled Bluetooth, more stuff to put on your phone. I opted not to do that. I actually have my own nozzle, so I'm just gonna go with that. All right. I picked up each can for about $15 each. 12 ounces would be 24, but I'm only looking to go to 17, maybe not even hit 17. I'm not looking to overcharge or overfill, because that would not be a great thing. Okay, so first of all, it's recommended that you roll down all your windows, start your vehicle. All right, we're gonna turn on the max AC. We're gonna turn on the AC. There's my AC on. There's my AC on. I'm gonna hit the max. We're gonna go all the way up. So that's all the way down. Okay, right now I'm feeling all hot air, so we're gonna give it the thumbs down. All right, give that the thumbs down. Now again, it's recommended that you actually have all your doors open, or for what I'm gonna do is just roll down all my windows. All right, I'm not gonna go through that today. All right, but I'm blowing hot air. Thumbs down, thumb down. And we're gonna put that back to low. Yep, still hot air. Warm now. Come over to the front. Relocate our two AC valves. This one is our low pressure. This is what we're looking for. This one is the high pressure. Your nozzle will not fit on this high pressure, so that is a clear indication that this is not the right one to put it on. All right. If we come over here, you'll see that it will attach. If you have the same type of hookup, you pull this up, put it onto your nozzle, make sure it's on there securely, let it go, and now it's on there nice and secure. All right. But I'm going to take it off, and we're going to look at this. You don't want to overfill. You only want to get into the green. Next thing next, we'll take our can, and it's recommended that you wear gloves. I actually just don't have any, and eyeglasses or safety glasses. Okay, those I do have. All right. We're going to shake this up really good. Again, this tank on fully empty takes 17 ounces. So right now I have two 12-ounce cans, and I'm only going to use enough to get to the green to make sure it's full. All right. So now that that's on there, I'm going to attach my hose. Okay. Now my hose is fully attached. I'm going to shake. You're supposed to keep it in the upright and then turn it upright, turn it. All right. So what we're going to do is start filling this up. Turn it every now and again. Turn it every now and again. Turn it every now and again. Check it. Let it settle. You see, I'm almost there. I'm going to sit for a minute. I'm going to let it settle. And it seems like we're right on the borderline. So what I'm going to do is shake it up. And I'm going to give it a little bit. Give it a little bit more. I'm going to give it a little bit more to put me clear into the green.
I'm going to wait a minute. I'm going to let it settle. Now, again, we don't want to overfill it. So as long as it's in the green, you really should be good.
Once your needle's in the green, you can put this down, go check your temperature, put your hand in front of the vent, see if it's cold. If not, come back, give it a little bit more. And if it is cold, come back, disconnect your can, seal everything up, and you're good to go. And as always, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.